Hi there, this is Professor Monty, and we're trying to determine if a given point or an ordered pair is a solution to an equation. Now, what I say here, first we just plug in the value for x. The first value they give us is going to be the x value. We're going to plug that in for x. The second value is the y. We plug that in for y. And then we just calculate. If what we get is a true statement, then we say yes, it's a solution. If we get a false statement, we say no, it's not a solution. So a solution, or a point on, in this case, a line, is any point that makes the equation true. So let's start with this one. Check to see if the given point is a solution to that equation, 3x minus y equals 4. Well, when we have x and y, it's an ordered pair. It's always in the order x, y. So I'm going to plug 2 in for x and 0 in for y. And I'm just going to see. So I've got 3 times x, well, that's 3 times 2. Minus y is 0, and I want to know if that's equal to 4. We'll put a question mark right there. Some people put a question mark over the equal sign. I'm not going to say it's equal because I don't know. So I get 6 minus 0 equals 4, or 6 equals 4. 6 does not equal 4. Since this is false, we say, oh, you know what? This point is not a solution to that equation. I'm just going to say no, because that answers the question. Is it a solution? No. Okay, now I've got another point. Again, it's x and then y, so I'm going to plug it into the equation. 3 times x is 3 times 1. Minus negative 1 equals 4. Let's check. 3 times 1 is 3. Remember, minus negative 1 is plus 1. And so I get 4 equals 4. Hey, that checks. That's true. Since that point is true when we plug it in, we know that this point 1, negative 1 is a solution. So they say, is it a solution? I'm going to say yes. All right, so that's the idea. We plug them in. If it works out, give you a true statement, we say, yes, it's a solution, meaning it's a point on the graph. If we plug it in, we get a false statement. No, that's not a solution. It's not a point on the graph. All right? So easy as that. Just remember the rules, and you'll be great.